Hello everyone. In this video I will explain the function used in exploratory data analysis. The first question is very common in the reading the data. Reading the data, we use the read CSV function. It is used in all common experiments. It is used to reach the data sets into pandas data frame. Second question is used to display in the data. We use the head function and the tail function. Head function displays the first 5 rows and tail function displays the last 5 rows. And the third question is about the shape of data. We use shape function used to return the number of rows and columns. And fourth is data types. Select data types function is used. It is used to separate the numerical and categorical columns. And the fifth question is about statistical summary. We use min, max, and mean and describe functions. Describe functions which tells the overall summary. Mean is used to find the minimum, maximum, and average values. And the sixth question is about the machine values. We use seasonal.sum. Seasonal.sum function used to identify the columns with the null values. And seventh question is about 5-number summary. 5-number summary is nothing but we use the 3 to 4 functions like quantile, min, max, and quantile and min, max, and standard functions. Quantile functions used to calculate the Q1 median and Q3. Min and max computes the 5-number summary, and it is we can plot the graph by using the box plot to visualize the data. This is the box plot of quantity column. And the eighth question is about the outlier detections, IQR. We use quantile and IQR formula. IQR formula is nothing but Q3 minus Q1. We all know that. Quantile filtering conditions like finding outliers, and we are representing the graph by the box plot. And the next question is about the z-squared outliers. We use x. The formula is x minus mean divided by standard deviation. And we use the np.apps functions used to detect the outliers where value is greater than 3. And the 10th question is about the correlation analysis. We use correlation functions like it computes the correlation matrix. And the 11th and 12th is very common. It is used correlation filtering. In this both two questions, we use the conditions on correlation values, identifying the high positive, negative, and greater than 60% correlations. In this both question, very common. The 13th question is about the skewness. In this skewness topics, we use skew functions and SNS histogram plot, and the skew function is used to measure the skewness. Histogram plot to visualize the data visualize the data. This is the graph shown in the 13th question. 14th question is nothing but univariate analysis by the categorical column. We use value counts and plt.bar or SNS clown plot. plt.bar is nothing but we are plotting the bar plot, and SNS count plot is also the same, used to visualize the data in the bar graph. And the 15th is univariate continuous. We use SNS swarm plot. This is the swarm plot swarm plot. It is more likely to be scatter and dot plot together. And SNS violin plot also same as swarm plot. It is also shown in that. And the next is about bivariate analysis. Bivariate analysis we use SNS box plot to separate the categorical and continuous data. This is the categorical and continuous data. Gender versus age will be the continuous and categorical. And the next is about the next is also the same as categorical versus another categorical plot, another categorical column, two categorical